Hello everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, February the 23rd, and tonight we are breaking boom boxes. This here is a one box break. We did random divisions, you could see up in the upper left. We've already randomized the divisions and the customers. We then gave them a chance to trade. No takers though, so we gonna pop this baby. Pop. Wow. Alright, folks. Boom, folks. That is the red J.J. Watt. It is a custom, but it is a J.J. Watt, folks. J.J. Watt. What division's that? That's AFC. Let me show ya. Is that MB? Yep, is that AFC South? There you go. Well, there you go, yep. Yes, it is a custom, bud, yep. That is MB Skills is gonna take home the JJ Watt. Yes, sir, and he tried to trade it, bud. There you go, bud. Alright, that's going to wrap up that one. Have a good one. We sure appreciate you stopping on by.